saw a big red candle coming in. So this big red candle, right, there were so many more aggressive sellers, right? You can see 379, 237, 45 for zero. You see 87 for zero, right? 38 for zero, right? So you can see 0, 0, 0. So there were no aggressive buyers present at this area. So this shows you 3 finished auctions. So I've been through this in many videos. When you see a 0 on one side, this means that the auction has been wiped out. There's no trading there. There's no aggressive buyers. There's only aggressive sellers trying to drive price down. So think about it from a logical perspective. If there's only aggressive sellers, right, and the market couldn't break below this fair value gap, right, what does that tell you about the POI? What does that tell you about the demand area? What does that tell you about the 2022 model in this case, right? That the markets are willing to go higher. The only reason the markets go higher is because buyers are trapped by sellers are trapped by buyers, right? Buyers are passive buyers outstrength aggressive sellers, and that is the only reason the market moves higher. That is the only reason. So again, just over 400 for the day. And so this is the type of trades that you want to be taking, right? So a 2022 model, if we just kind of break this down, a 2022 model is the simplest model that you can follow. In fact, traders tend to oversimplify it, right? So a 2022 model looks something like this, but you want to be trading order flow. You want to be trading price, not patterns. So when price comes into a PDRA area like this, right? Let's say price comes into an area like this. You need to understand what is going on here, what is going here, and let's say if you have a fair value gap, you want to know what's going on here, right? You do not rely on a market structure shift because price can shoot below, right? Price can retest here. So if you're trading the 2022 model, right, my highest recommendation to you is to understand price. Trade price, not patterns. And so just stare at this chart, right? Stare at the beauty of this chart and understand this. Understand that you are going to be trading patterns if you don't understand price, right? So do you want to trade patterns or do you want to trade price, right? So I'm going to finish this video off by saying trade price, not patterns.